Okay, once you update the item, the second form is purchase order. Previously we have created the item in item master setup. Then you have to go purchase and purchase order. Click on it. Okay, right. We are going to purchase our raw material. Then we have to make a purchase document. You can see purchase, and then fourth one is purchase order right over here. Okay, then once you open this form, click on add button right over here. Click on it. Okay, that's great. Then change the document type purchase order, and must be clicked on direct PO, direct purchase order. Check mark on it. Then select. You have to change current status. Select supplier. Here you can select your supplier. Incoterm FOB. Must remember to put current status, which is usually if your document is not completed, you don't have enough information to complete your document, you can keep in process. But if you have a completed information, you can put release for approve. You can put the dealer, agent and buying houses if you have available, you can put here. Billing location by C, foreign terms FOB, rate types, demand and draft. Here you can see the category. We have recently opened mix yarn 1 over here, and recently we have opened the two items 30 single cotton and 30 single CVC 9010. Now you can change the item from item grid. I'm going to select the yarn item 30 single CVC, which we have recently created. Current stock is 0. Unit of measurement bag, because we put in item master unit of measurement bags, that's why it's showing over here. Current stock is 0. Now we are going to purchase. If we purchase any item, the current stock will be surplus. You can put the quantity in bags. For example, 20 bags for yarn purchasing. Note to the vendor, you can put the necessary information. If you want to provide any information to your vendor, so you can also put over here note to the vendor. We are making a dummy data because, so I just put over here urgent. If it taxable, you can mark over here. First you must have to update the taxable setups, then the drop down will be show the taxable types over here. The amount you can put over here, and the total amount as you can see in the last. Save it. Click on save. You can see our total amount 20 bags, 200 per unit price, and total amount. Now I'm going to add more items, more products to purchase in purchase order for a purchasing purpose. Another yarn, 30 single 100 cotton, 10 bags, two 10. Put the note to the vendor, urgent. Tax amount, as you can see, the mix yarn 1 category, cotton category 2, oh, must remember you have to something in your red field. It is necessary, it is mandatory field. For example, delivery period 30 days. You can select your shipment location, warehouse from over here, and then click on save. Oh, I have to change the date. Then click on save button. So we have successfully created our purchase order 1. Press OK. Click on exit button and click on the find mode if you want to see your purchase order, which purchase order you have recently opened. As you can see, we are in find mode. Change the document type over here where your purchase order have been created. Click on search button. Yes, that's great. And now we have to click on the action button to see our purchase order, order number 1, current status approved. Once you approve the purchase order, you are not able to change and you're not able to amendment anything in the document. Then click on action button to review your transaction. As you can see, we have 2 items in our purchase order: rates, tax amount, and buyer, supplier. You can see. Once you have created the PO, then you have to make a stock GRN.